Gulafsha and I am from CC Air 1. This is my vending machine assignment. So, when you run the code, it will show a list of items that you can buy like water, coke, cookies, chocolate and candy. Each item shows the price and how many pieces are left. You just have to type the number of the item you want to buy and it will be added to your cart. If you want to buy more items, you can keep selecting. When you are finished shopping, you simply type done and the machine will print a receipt showing all the items you buy and the total amount you have to pay. If any item is sold out, the machine will inform you. If you enter a work number, it will ask you politely to try again. I have kept the code simple and easy to understand. Thank you for checking my assignment. I hope you like it.